When vertical lines appear on your Samsung TV, start with the simplest solution, a power cycle. This clears temporary glitches that may be causing the display issue. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, examine all cable connections. Loose or damaged HDMI cables are frequent culprits behind vertical line problems. Run your TV's built-in picture test to determine whether the vertical lines originate from the TV's internal components or from an external source like a cable box. Software glitches can cause display problems, including vertical lines. Check for and install any available firmware updates to resolve potential software-related issues. If previous steps haven't resolved the vertical lines, perform a factory reset. This restores your TV to original settings and can eliminate persistent software issues causing display problems. These 5 troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of vertical lines on Samsung TVs. Start with the power cycle and work through each step systematically for the best chance of resolving the issue. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve vertical lines on your Samsung TV, the problem likely involves internal hardware components that require more advanced diagnosis. If you're still seeing vertical lines after checking cables and performing basic resets, the issue is likely within the TV's internal components. The T-Con board, or timing controller board, is a critical component that converts digital signals from the main board into analog signals that drive the LCD panel. When the T-Con board fails, it can cause various display issues, including vertical lines, color distortion, or complete display failure. There are several diagnostic techniques to help identify internal hardware issues. The tapping test involves gently tapping the back of the TV to see if the vertical lines temporarily disappear. Analyzing the pattern of vertical lines can help identify the root cause. Stationary, straight lines typically indicate internal hardware problems, while moving or wavy lines often point to connection issues. If you're comfortable with electronics and your TV is out of warranty, you can inspect the T-Con board. However, be aware that opening the TV yourself may void any remaining warranty coverage. The inspection process involves carefully removing the back panel, locating the T-Con board, and checking for loose connections or dirt on the cable connections that can be gently cleaned. Display panel replacement can be extremely costly, sometimes approaching the price of a new TV. This makes professional diagnosis crucial to determine if repair is economically viable. Professional repair is recommended for T-Con board replacement, display panel issues, and any complex internal repairs, especially if your TV is still under warranty coverage. Remember that internal hardware issues require careful diagnosis and consideration of warranty status and repair costs. When in doubt, consult with a professional repair service to avoid further damage and ensure the most cost-effective solution.